Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be teaching you how you can automate your WhatsApp using only 2 lines of code. So let's get started. So first things first, you need to install one package. Okay, so you go to settings of your IDE, and for PyCharm you go to project interpreter. You click on this plus button here and you type py what right. So if you don't have it installed, just click on it and install with the package. I have it installed on my system, so I won't be doing that again. But if you don't have it installed, just click on it and install the package. It should work fine, and then you're good to go. So first of all, we'll be importing our package. So just type in import py what-kit. Good. Now the second line is our function that we're going to be using. So we'll be typing py what-kit dot send what message. Now the first parameter, if you see, is your phone number as a string that is written in bold, right? So for testing purposes, I'm going to be using book my show's number that I grabbed off the internet. So I'll just type that in. So that's +91, and I'll type in the rest. You can see. Cool. So that's the number. Now the next parameter is the message that I want to send. So I'll just say testing message, right? That's fine for now. Now the next parameter is the time hour as an integer. So currently the time is 10:53 p.m. So I'll just type in 22. This uses a 24-hour clock format, so please make sure to write it in that format. My next parameter is my time, so it's say 54 just now, right? So I'll just type in 22:55. I want to send my message at 10:55 p.m. and the next parameter is wait time, that is 20 seconds. Okay, so that's it. That's my code. Now when I press run, let's just do it for demo purposes. I'll press run and it'll give me a message that in 22 seconds web.whatsapp.com will open, and after 20 seconds my message will be delivered to this particular number. Now obviously you can change the number as you wish. If you want to send the message to some other person, please put in their phone number and you'll be good to go. Okay, so let's just wait for some time and my web WhatsApp should open anytime. There you go. You can see that my web WhatsApp has opened. It'll just take a couple of seconds to load, and yeah, there you go. You've loaded your web WhatsApp. Now this is, as you can see, my messages on the chat box. It's testing message is there, and now you can see it's been delivered, right? And this is for book my show. So for different people you can do it and set particular time and it'll deliver and on its own, right? So I'll just quickly go back to the script and I'll just do a quick recap. So first of all, you import your library and then you type in this syntax, that is py what-kit dot send what message. The first parameter is the phone number of the person that you want in inverted commas. Basically it's a string. The next parameter is the message itself. The next parameter is the time in hours in 24-hour format, 24-hour clock format. The parameter after that is the minutes. At what minute do you want to send it? And this is a default parameter called the wait time. Basically after how many seconds your message will be delivered, right? So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification for further videos, and drop a comment if you have any queries. I'll be happy to address them.